Windows are more than just an aesthetic feature of your home. They play a significant role in energy efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. For homeowners in Orangeburg, understanding the environmental impact of your windows can help you make informed decisions that not only benefit your household but also contribute to a greener planet. By exploring sustainable window choices, you can reduce energy consumption, lower your carbon footprint, and create a home that aligns with modern eco-conscious values. Here's a deep dive into the environmental impact of windows and the sustainable options available to Orangeburg homeowners. Understanding the environmental impact of windows. Windows influence your home's environmental footprint in several key ways. Energy efficiency. Poorly insulated or outdated windows are one of the biggest culprits of energy loss in a home. In summer, heat infiltrates your home, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime. In winter, warmth escapes, increasing heating costs. This energy inefficiency contributes to higher greenhouse gas emissions from the increased demand on power plants. Manufacturing materials. The materials used to make windows, such as aluminum, vinyl, and wood, have varying levels of environmental impact. For example, aluminum, energy-intensive to produce but highly recyclable. Vinyl, PVC, affordable and durable but not biodegradable and can release harmful chemicals during production. Wood, renewable and biodegradable but requires proper treatment to resist weather damage. Choosing windows made from sustainable materials or those manufactured through eco-friendly processes can significantly reduce environmental harm. Disposal and waste. When windows reach the end of their lifespan, improper disposal can add to landfill waste. Materials like glass and PVC take decades or even centuries to decompose. Recycling or repurposing old windows helps minimize this impact. The benefits of sustainable window choices. Opting for eco-friendly windows offers numerous advantages for both homeowners and the planet. Reduced energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple glazing and low-E coatings, minimize heat transfer. This helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round, reducing the need for heating and cooling systems. The result? Lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Longevity and durability. Sustainable windows are designed to last longer, reducing the frequency of replacements. Durable materials like fiberglass or high-quality vinyl can withstand Orangeburg's variable climate while maintaining their performance over time. Improved indoor comfort. Sustainable windows prevent drafts, reduce noise pollution, and block harmful UV rays, creating a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment for your family. Supporting green practices. Choosing windows made by manufacturers who prioritize sustainable sourcing and production methods supports businesses that are committed to environmental stewardship. Key features of eco-friendly windows. When shopping for sustainable windows, look for the following features. Energy Star certification. Windows with this label meet strict energy efficiency standards, ensuring lower energy consumption. Low-E glass coatings. These coatings reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to pass through, improving energy efficiency and protecting your interiors. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows provide better insulation compared to single-pane options, reducing energy loss. Recyclable materials. Choose windows made from materials like aluminum or wood that can be recycled at the end of their life cycle. Argon or krypton gas fills. These gases between glass panes improve insulation, keeping your home comfortable while reducing energy use. How Orangeburg homeowners can make sustainable choices. Making environmentally friendly window choices involves both selecting the right products and ensuring responsible practices. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, consider replacing them with energy-efficient models. Over time, the energy savings will offset the initial investment, making it a financially and environmentally smart choice. Recycle old windows. When replacing windows, ask your installer about recycling options. Many components, such as glass and aluminum, can be repurposed, reducing landfill waste. Choose local suppliers. Working with local Orangeburg window manufacturers or suppliers can reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation and support the local economy. Maintain your windows. Proper maintenance, such as cleaning, sealing, and repairing minor issues, can extend the life of your windows and reduce the need for replacements. The role of manufacturers in sustainability. The most eco-friendly windows come from manufacturers who prioritize sustainability at every step of the production process. These companies use renewable energy sources during manufacturing, source materials responsibly, such as sustainably harvested wood, incorporate recycling programs to manage production waste. Supporting such manufacturers amplifies your commitment to the environment. Conclusion. The windows in your Orangeburg home have a profound impact on your energy consumption, comfort, and the environment. By choosing sustainable options, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home, lower utility bills, and the satisfaction of contributing to a greener future. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or selecting new ones for a build, consider energy-efficient designs, recyclable materials, and products from eco-conscious manufacturers. With these choices, you'll not only enhance the beauty and functionality of your home but also take a meaningful step toward environmental responsibility. Contact a trusted window specialist in Orangeburg today to explore sustainable options and make a positive impact on your home and the planet.